Hello, another of our experimental videos. We're going to talk today, because it's arisen this week in clinic, about sleep posture. Okay, because we quite often get asked, what sort of pillow should I use? My brother says this, my father says that, and that is the issue with a lot of advice. It is very dependent on the person, and in the case of pillows, it does depend on how you sleep, but also how you sleep could be causing your neck problem and so on and so forth. So we're just going to talk about a few things in relation to sleep, posture and pillows, just because it's arisen this week and we thought, well, hey, it comes up quite often, maybe we can help some people. So our heads on top of our bodies, if we're lying on our back, we are typically fairly switched off. There is a gap between the back of our neck and the pillow, or even the bare mattress or whatever. Some people may need a pillow, some people may not. However, if you're lying on your side, you've got these things getting in the way, and you are likely to need something that allows your spine to stay straight. So the spinal alignment is important. So we've got a little Sebastian, or whatever we want to call him today, as a movable skeleton, and you can see here, ignore the fact his hand is holding it, but here's the spine. So you've got this gap here between the shoulder and the neck, which you need to fill, otherwise the head will fall down onto the side and you will get tensions. Okay, so the advice would generally be that if you're a side sleeper, you need something that fills that gap. And I am going to be saying to you here that the Sleep Foundation have excellent advice on their site about the pros and cons of using pillows. So in this situation, we have a person who is habitually sleeping with their hand under the back of their head, or they're sleeping on their side with their hand regularly underneath their head. So what they've got is they've got a pillow, a very small pillow, and then they're adding this. So if I demonstrate that, on the side, narrow pillow, head is aware it's not being adequately supported in this gap, so adding a hand. Now that can be adding a hand under the pillow, or it can be adding a hand under the cheek, but either way it's bringing the spine into alignment. The answer is not, imagine this is the bed, is not to sleep really over there, but more than that, what happens is if I bring my arm up here and I bring it tight, I'm tightening this line. If I bring my hand and I put it up here, I'm now tight, and as you can see here on my neck, this side is loose, this side is most definitely not loose, it's tightened up. And you're tightening all of this section. You're spending all night sleeping tightened up on this section, and then you're asking in the day for this to all just spontaneously release, and it can't, and it will hurt. So there are different things that can be done to support that in your own sleeping, but also sometimes you need to come to someone like us as Bowen therapists and get help in relaxing and setting these muscles, allowing them to learn to switch off, and then you can adjust your pillows and get to a place. So if you think we can help, call us, by all means, we'll try and help you if we can.